Today's lesson is on changing from vertex form to standard form. So remember, vertex form gives us the vertex. In this case, it would be 3, 2. This also has a vertical stretch since our a value is greater than 1. So we want to go to standard form. Remember, standard form gives us the y-intercept. So basically what we want to do here is we want to simplify this expression. So first thing we start with grouping symbols. So there's nothing to do inside here. Second, we would do exponents. So we're going to go ahead and square x minus 3. So if I wrote this out, we'd have x minus 3 times x minus 3. Secondly, we would FOIL this, or if you prefer, use the box method to multiply these together. I'm going to go ahead and FOIL it. So multiplying my first terms, I get x squared. And then the outer is negative 3x, and the inner is negative 3x. So when you combine the outer and the inner, you get negative 6x. And finally, the last terms, negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Okay, so now we have done the exponents, and now we're going to do multiplying and dividing. So here we have 4 times the quantity x squared minus 6x plus 9. So we're going to distribute the 4 onto all three terms using multiplication. So 4 times 1 is 4x squared. 4 times negative 6x is negative 24x. And 4 times 9 is 36. Don't forget to bring down that k value. Finally, we do any adding and subtracting, and we can only combine like terms, which in this case would be the 36 and the 2. So these stay the same. These are unique terms based on the base and the exponent. They're different, so you cannot combine them. 36 and 2 is 38. And now we have our y-intercept, 0, 38. Notice our a value, our vertical stretch is still there. You can see it here and here. Remember, each form tells you something a little bit different about the parabola. I hope you guys are having a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.